Great. I found my spray. Now I can do what I love so much. Paint the wagons. Ha 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 ha.
Ух, блядь.
Who is smart? I am smart. Ha ha ho ho ho. Password? From the numbers? I definitely saw these numbers somewhere. Password? From the numbers? I definitely saw these numbers somewhere. Password? From the numbers? I definitely saw these numbers somewhere. My memory is not that bad. I am proud of my...
looks like they are hungry. I guess I need to feed them something. This sound usually means that something has changed. I need to check the wagons. I'm not sure, but I think I can now find out what's inside the wagon. Guitar. Interesting. What can I do with it? This sound usually means that something has changed. I need to check the wagons. Enjoy, Hungry Spades. I'm going to the next level. Great weather. I love the rain, but I don't like the dark. I can't see anything here. I need to turn on the light. Great. I found legs and arms. A drug with that name will definitely come in handy for me. He has wagons everywhere. Sick bastard. Oh my God, this is my friend Gerald. Is this all Inspector Hector's handiwork? Oh, he's still breathing. Maybe I can revive him somehow.
Hi, Jack. You are my savior. You can take my girlfriend. He also wanted to make a monster out of me. Black, strong, agile, like me. But you saved me.
Then we need to stop him.
Yes, but not us. You. You are the main character of the game. And I have to run because I am black, strong, agile, buy, and keep the key. I hope you know how to use it.
I finally met you, you little asshole.
I'll kick your ass, Waganophile. Isä sillä derivaussassa was on bow assa 13 mayos.
Ha ha! The milk on your lips hasn't dried yet.
Taste my guitar, bitch.
Subway, suffer. 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 Subway.
This time you beat me. But we will meet again, little ass. Ciao, amigos.